Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of POS Floor Table Management in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This feature-rich tool helps you easily design and manage your dining floor with the visual table layout directly in your POS system. Assign orders to specific tables, track occupied and available seating in real time, and streamline your service flow for a smoother customer experience. Whether you are managing dine-in, takeout, or multiple areas, this module keeps your POS organized, efficient, and perfectly tailored to your restaurant's need. So, first of all, we will go into our POS module. Under Configuration, we will find a menu named Floor Plans. Open Floor Plans, and here you can see different type of floor plans. Here I am opening all floors, and in Point of Sale field, you can add your POS session as you want. Here I have added restaurant and bar. Now we will go into our dashboard and we will open a register for restaurant. Here you can see the all floor plans, the main floor and the patio. Here you can see the all floor button. You can also see the main floor by clicking on main floor button, and for patio, click on patio button, and here you can see the floor plan for patio. Here in all floor plans, you can click and add your table to your floors. Here you can add a table number. Here I am adding 1001 as my table number, and I would like to have 4 seats, and in floor I am selecting main floor. I will be selecting patio as my floor. So in patio, you can see that 1001 table is seated with 4 seats. Not only here, but in patio menu also, you can see your table 1001, and also you can adjust your table as you like. Here I have kept it in between 109 and 111. Here also you can see the table. Now if you don't enter any details and just click on OK, you will get a validation error saying please add proper details to create table. So you need to add details compulsory. After this, we will go into the configuration in floor plans, and we will create a new floor plan. Click on new and add floor name. Here I am adding first floor. Add your POS session. Here I am adding restaurant, and save it. Now again we will go into the dashboard. We will continue the selling in the restaurant, and here you can see the first floor in here. Now if you want to create a table in the first floor, you need to add a table first. So we will add a table to first floor. I am labeling table number as 1002. I want 2 seats and floor is first floor. Here you can see in the first floor 1002 table is created with 2 seats. Also, if you go into the first floor, here also you can see the table number 1002. Now, if you want, you can open an order. Now, after that, we will search the table as we like. Here I am searching 1001. So you can see 1001 table is appeared under patio. After that, I will search table number as I want. Now I will open a table in the main floor, and I will add products into my cart. Here I am adding bacon burger and iced tea into my cart. Now add a customer. I am adding my customer Billy Fox. After that, if I click on plan, and here in search table, if I search Billy Fox, you can see table number 12 is appeared as we have ordered from Billy Fox in table 12. And if you want to check, you can just open and confirm it if this is the table where Billy Fox has ordered or not. Here you can see the customer Billy Fox has ordered 2 different items. You can also search by the customer name in floor menu. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.